The height of the squeegee to the lane surface is very important to ensure proper cleaning on the lane machine. To check this adjustment, we would first access our squeegee output through the Test Outputs menu on the keypad. Once we've put it in the down position, we will then take a level and place it against both blades and the lane distance wheel. We'll then take feeler gauges at our starting point, which would be 1/8 of an inch, and we will slide the feeler gauges in between the drive wheel and the base of the level. Now we actually have a little bit too much squeegee crush, so we're going to raise that squeegee up. We're going to have to lower the machine down and go into the electrical compartment to do this. Inside of the electrical compartment is the squeegee lift motor and turnbuckle. The turnbuckle is used to adjust the height of the squeegee to the lane. In this case, we have too much squeegee contact, so we're going to need to make an adjustment here. By using a crow's foot 1/2 inch on an extension, it will allow us to get on the jam nut and break it away from the eyelet. We can then take a 1/2 inch socket on a swivel and remove the bolt that secures the turnbuckle to the cam. Since our squeegee was too low, we're going to turn the eyelet counterclockwise, one complete turn. That will represent about 1/16 of an inch in difference. We'll then push the turnbuckle down and re-secure the bolt to the cam itself. You'll notice there's a jam nut in between the squeegee lift cam and the eyelet connected to the turnbuckle. You want to make sure that that stays towards the eyelet until the bolt is completely threaded into the squeegee cam. From that point, we will straighten out the eyelet and tighten the jam nut at the bottom by the turnbuckle. From that point, we would close the lids, lift the machine into the transport position, and recheck our crush to the lane with the level. We're now going to place the feeler gauges in between the drive wheel and the level. And we have these feeler gauges set at 1/8 of an inch or 125 thousandths. Remember to keep your squeegee height between 3/32 and 3/16 of an inch. This side looks very good. Now we'll move to the other side to make sure that that is within the same measurement.